Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today you're gonna be drinking with Gina. Yay! It's obviously that time of year. It's Christmas season. I love the holiday season. You got your sweater weather, some fancy drinks, all the decorations. I love it. So today I've got a nice holiday cocktail for you. I've got my little setup here. All right, so let's go over what's in this cocktail. Well, first, we've got Santa right here for the holiday season. But we're gonna start off with Bailey's, which is great for any holiday cocktail. It's delicious. It's nice. And then we've got Captain Morgan's spiced rum. This is 100 proof, so this is good. It's full flavored, lots of spice to it. Then we've got Captain Morgan Loco nut, which is a nice coconut rum. So yummy. And I've got this delicious Frangelico, which is a nice hazelnut. So there you have it, guys. Santa's spicy nuts. All right, so let's get to making that cocktail. All right, let's start off with 1 ounce of that delicious creamy Bailey's. Then I'll be adding 1 ounce of Captain Morgan's spiced rum. Next, we'll be adding 1 ounce of Captain Morgan's Loco nut. And last, I'll be adding 1 ounce of Frangelico hazelnut liqueur. So delicious. Shake it up real good. Okay, and if you would like, go ahead and shave some chocolate on top. Isn't that beautiful? All right, so now you know how to make this delicious cocktail. I am so excited to drink it. I cannot wait. Here we go. Yeah, that's a good one. I love it. So nice. I can't think of anything better to do around the holidays is sit all snuggled up next to the fireplace, sipping on some of Santa's spicy nuts. You love it. So good. Okay, so don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. And also head over to Facebook and Instagram and check out the Jen and Gina show. I love it. Take pictures, make this cocktail. Tell us what you think about it. Don't forget to check out my next video, guys. See you soon. All right, guys, if you enjoyed this drink recipe and you want to keep drinking, go ahead and click over here with Gina. If you want to start cooking, go ahead and click over here and go see my girl Jen. If you haven't subscribed already, number 1, why not? But number 2, just go ahead and click the button here. I love it.